Disclaimer: nothing in this video is real. Everything that is done by trained professionals.
Bitch. I just raced a nigga and took off on him twice. Peg on the front of Glock, but I ain't get this off no bike. It's a dick in it too, but I ain't get it off no dike. We be holding sticks in the air, but we ain't on no strike, nigga. I pump gas and leave it running, it's a strike, nigga. This ain't no standard Hellcat, bitch, it got the pipes in it. That nigga Devin Haney, he ain't got no fight in it. She tryna make love, bitch.
What the fuck is on YouTube? I know you guys can't really fucking hear me right now because this shit's loud as fuck. But this is a weird way to start my video. I usually start my video inside of my room in the fucking right by the fucking mirror and shit. But we about to go spin this bitch, you feel me? So it's been raining all fucking day. As you can tell, everything's fucking wet.
We can most definitely not fucking tell it's wet outside.
The floor is all fucking wet and shit. The van's all fucking wet and shit. So we're about to go take this bitch, go spin somewhere real quick. Pop out a quick little video so I can do this double upload this week. So yeah, either this week or next week, because I'm filming this the week of this video, the last video coming out. Yeah, I'm filming that. The video of me cutting up in like Little Rock, you feel me? So that's what's about to happen. I'm gonna just let this bitch heat up and I'm gonna move that bitch meanwhile. And then we're gonna dip, put on the head shit, and then we're about to go hit up some spots. It's not got that much gas, you feel me? I'm gonna just lower that bitch down so I can get gas next week. And yeah, I'm gonna get a job soon so I can shut your stupid. But yeah. Alright, hopefully I don't fucking bust ass leaving this fucking garage. Alright, but we're chilling. But as you can tell, it's wet outside. And we're about to dip. Water and shit. I don't know if you guys can tell, but first thing as soon as I get in this bitch, you already know. You already know. Hold on.
Yeah, boy.
Alright, bet. So traction controls off. And then we're about to dip. Car's up. It's heated up, you feel me? I wait till it's like, well, before I'd wait till it was like where it's at right now. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's at like probably like 150 about for the temp, for the oil, like oil temp. And then my oil pressure, the reason that it's at 0, I think I need a new oil pressure sensor. Cause like the car's running fine.
Nice.
So yeah, it's straight spinning. I don't go fuck,
brother. Whoa, now you got too much dip on your chip.
Wait a little bit because I think there's a cop like back there. But I don't know if you guys saw the last time I was filming the last video. I don't know if it was the last video or if I even posted that shit, but we passed through here and I was looking around and I saw there was a fucking what do you call it, like a little fucking, what the fuck is it called, like a little parking lot back here that was part of that, which I think it is right here. Yeah, it's right there. Which I'm gonna have to hit a UE because I don't know what the fuck car that is. Yeah, look, right there. Mad open. Only thing is, I don't know how many cops be around here. So we're gonna do a quick tune out and we're just gonna be out this bitch because I don't wanna, you know, I don't wanna get into no shit. You feel me? But look, it's nice and wet. It's nice and wet. So we're gonna do some quick shit right here. I hope it's big enough.
I just raced a nigga and took off on him twice. Peg on the front of Glock, I ain't get this off no. Okay. Come on, bitch. I just raced a nigga and took off on him twice. Peg on the front of Glock, but I ain't get this off no bike. It's a dick in it too, but I.
Just like that, we out this bitch. him to spin at. Right here, and then a little bit farther back. And right here is wet. But only thing is, right here is a little scary. You feel me? Cause this bitch catch traction 1 second, bro, and we're cooked.
You have been promoted. You are now one of my elite employees.
Can we spin that bitch right here too? Low key. Just some quick tune out because I want to go spin out the other spot first.
Get that. I want that shit, my brother going. I want that shit, my brother gon' bang. Feeding for mess like she on cocaine. Dropping the top on the queen, no brain. Tell her free shot, but I'm going insane. Knowing I fuck, but I still want your sister. I had to tell her whole get with the system. Play with that sad boy, you know I'm gon' blitz him. Clown that nigga, boy, you know I'm finna bitch him. I feel like my hand itchy. It about time nigga get that money. Got a new hoe, she love me, and I can tell by the way she fuck me, bitch.
Like, bro, I just need a V8, nigga, real shit. Like, I'm doing this shit in a V6. Niggas put me in a V8, bro. Spitting everything, nigga. I don't give a fuck.
Daddy, chill.
This is usually only open like during the mornings and shit. Like back here at least. From what I've seen. I'm gonna have to do a quick tune out and I'm out this bitch because I don't want. Who knows if they already called the authorities, dude. Look how wide this bitch, bro. This is perfect for fucking.
Light skin ass, light skin bushy, fuck, light skin but got a fat ass. She look like J-Lo. I'll pop you in your top, give you a halo, or I'll make your top pop like a Fago. I really didn't done that at all. I bet they know. Yellow stones on my hand in this bitch. I feel like Thanos. And I'm got a war in my city. I feel like Kratos. I'm really plugged. Can't name a place I can't go. Make your bitch shake that Laffy Taffy. I feel like. Just like that, we out this bitch. All right, we gotta go fight somewhere else. We gotta get out this bitch quick, just in case. Cause the nigga do not have enough to go on the chase, gas-wise, nigga. At least.
Now you know damn well, even if you did have fucking gas, you wouldn't have gone on that chase, nigga.
Yo, that shit's wet as fuck. That shit's wet as fuck.
Oh.
Pause. This shit isn't a pause. Never mind.
Man, shut your bitch ass up, nigga.
Look, this shit's like get my tires wet real quick. You think I can hit that?
Oh my God! Wow!
Alright, let me get the fuck out of here, bro.
What the fuck? No!
Oh fuck no. There's somebody stop right there. I'm out this bitch. Oh fuck. And there's the title. Went on the chase. Spinning in the rain of my V6 went on the chase. Is that a cop behind me? We're getting close as fuck. Alright, I'm gonna put this bitch down low key because I don't know if it's a cop or not. And the nigga's on my dick.
On my mama, nigga just got up off his ass, flew up out here, talk some shit.
All I know is I'm about to spin this bitch and that's it.
Oh my God, look. Yeah.
That's what I came to do.
suck on my jeweler dick. My doctor almost died, I made my bitch go and clean and spit. Yeah, on my mama, I need him here. He gon' write the scripts till he dip and go hang with Kobe. Ray pulled me up with no question, he didn't owe me. Damn, this bitch just come.
One more, we out this bitch. Bitch don't wanna go.
My name like she really know me. Ain't a rap nigga in the world that can say they hold me. I just got a SIG in the back folding. I bought SRTs in my sleep, it didn't hurt my pockets.
Right now, bro, whatever. We out this bitch. Just like always, let me get the fucking time real quick. Just like fucking always, because the only time I get motivation to do fucking videos is in the morning whenever I have no fucking sleep. But see, that's what's red because I was on some freaky shit though.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Nah. But yeah, it's gonna be the end of the video, bro. I hope you guys fuck with this video. I actually really like this video, and I actually wanted to edit this video, so this video is done on a Thursday morning, which is something fucking new because I usually finish this shit the morning of, and then I start uploading it. But yeah, bro, the video's done. It's fully fucking done finally, bro, and it's early, so I'm gonna be uploading this bitch on Friday or Saturday, and then I'm gonna try to finish the other video because I actually kind of fuck with the other video, and it might be a double upload this week, hopefully, because I need to fucking do that shit and get back on track with you guys, because I've been slacking, bro. But yeah, bro, make sure to go check out the Discord, Car Insta, TikTok, and drop a like and sub, bro. Oh, and go comment something. I'll be answering questions next video. If you guys comment something down below and you guys want to do like a little Q&A or whatever, ask me whatever, just comment it and then I'll answer it in the next video at the end or at the start whenever I'm doing the intro or outro. But yeah, I fuck with y'all. I love y'all, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Drop a like and sub, bro. If not, you're a bitch. I'm gonna go fuck you.
Why are you gay?
Psych, no. But yeah, love you guys. I fuck with y'all. I'll see you guys in the next video.
I got a fucking human leg hanging on my chop. Don't be